Skip the line. You're first on my list.
I like to be hugged.
Who said that? Who let that goody?
Hi, I'm Chucky, and I'm your friend Juliet.
What the hell? Hey, who's doing that? Stop leaving me. I'm entitled to 10 F-bombs per episode. Read my contract. All of us Chuckies have to work together if we want to reach our full murdering potential. I took over this haunted house and possessed all their dolls. Hey, who's doing this? Stop leaving me. I'm entitled to 10 F-bombs per episode. Read my contract. All of us Chuckies have to work together if we want to reach our full murdering potential. I took over this haunted house and possessed all their dolls. I'm gonna kill every last one of you. Any questions?
Is there an age limit?
I don't want to talk about that. Next question. When do we get to start stabbing people? Wait, you got a knife? They passed them out at orientation. Okay, enough. The most important thing to remember is we're all children. But this Okay, let's check the running gear. I gotta confess, I never pass up an opportunity to kill a douchebag.
What's up, everyone? Lord Spooky here back with another ultimate HHN update.
Next victim, please. Let's keep this moving. Next victim, please. Let's keep moving. Next victim, please. Oh, it's starting to get real choppy. Let's add some Christmas spirit. Time to spread some